Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
Hi, what's up people out there? This is me Chauhan from ashvircreations. Welcome back to our new YouTube video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to create a photo manipulation for your kite festival. So in this video I'll show you that you can create some very unique photo editing with kites photo manipulation in Photoshop. Before getting to the Photoshop, just press the like button on this video, and if you still haven't subscribed the channel, then do subscribe and just press the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I post new video. And log on to our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there you can find new background preset, camera preset, lightroom preset, PNG and every kind of photo editing stuff for free. So go and check it out, that website. Now let's open the Photoshop. Open the image which you want to get edited. Now let's select the image by using the quick selection tool. Just roll all over the subject's body to make it selected. Just right click on it and select layer via copy option, so it will create a duplication of the image. Now the next thing is we will crop the image, so we'll select the crop tool and let's just crop the image. Let's take 1:1 ratio because we want to make it as our Instagram profile photograph. So we need to make it square. And just press OK. Or you can still more stretch if you want to make it. You can make it more bigger. Now just press OK. So here we have made a cropping of the image. Now let's add background, so we'll go to the file, click on open, browse the background. Let's select this background and just drag and drop over this tab. It is really very simple. Now let's press Ctrl T to make the transformation in a proper way. So you can just make your adjust the transformation. Now let's just create a create a mask on this background layer. Select a gradient tool. Select the gradient tool and just go to these gradients and select this black and white gradient. Now let's just press shift key and just move arrow from upward position to downward, so it will erase this background. So here you can see we have erased the background. Now let's just add one more background to the photograph, so we'll go to the file, click on open and just drag this and drop over here. Place this below this tab. Press Ctrl T. So here we have placed the background. Now let's just go to the file, click on open, and let's add some kite PNG to the photograph. So let's just select these kites, just drag it and drop over this tab. Press Ctrl D to enlarge the image. You can just place it somewhere over here. Press Ctrl L to make it more darker. Now go to this layer and just delete some portion from here. So select the brush tool, press Alt key to select the color and just paint it over here, because we don't want this kind of photo over here, so we'll just delete it. Now let's add some more kites to the photograph. Now we will blur it a little bit, so we'll go to the file, go to the blur, then select the box blur. Make the strength to around 4 pixels. Same thing you have to do to this kite. Go to the filter, select box blur. Let's add some more kites. Press Ctrl D and decrease the size. Go to the filter, select box blur. Let's duplicate the image by pressing Alt key, press Ctrl D, flip it horizontal way. You can change the color by pressing Ctrl U. And let's change the color of the image. Press OK. And let's add some more kites to the photograph. So same thing you have to do, the filter, then box blur, press duplication, press Ctrl U, change the color, let's select this. Drag and drop over here. You can place it somewhere over here. Go to the filter, select box blur. Now let's add one more kite on the photograph. And you can just keep it somewhere over here. Just make the duplication of this layer. Make box blur to this kite. Decrease the size. Now just you have to do is just go to the, first of all we will just increase the size of this kite. Let's go to filter, select blur, then just select Gaussian blur. and just place this above all the layers. Let's keep it somewhere over here. Let's make it more Gaussian blur. So here we have made a realistic, photo manipulation for your, Kite special. So now let's just merge all the layers. Right click on it and select merge layers. Let's crop the image once again. Now let's go to the color lookup, or let's go to the filter, select camera preset, camera filter. Now let's adjust some kind of colors. Don't edit too much, only a little bit of adjustment we will do. Go to the calibration tab, just to change this color. So here we have made a very realistic, photo manipulation for your Kite special. Now let's adjust some more contrast to it. First of all, let's just give OK. Now duplicate this layer by pressing Ctrl J. Now let's change the blending mode to soft light. Now let's just select the eraser tool, increase the size of the brush and just erase this portion from here. Let's decrease the opacity. So here you can see we have created a very unique and a perfect deftness on this photograph. Now let's just merge both the layers. Right click on it and select merge layers. So here you can see the before and after effect. It is really looking very realistic. This would be the perfect example for your Kite special photo manipulation in Photoshop. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed, then just press the like button on this video, and if you still haven't subscribed the channel, then do subscribe and just press the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I post new video. And don't forget to log on to our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there you can find new background, camera preset, lightroom preset and every kind of photo editing stuff for free. So go and check it out that website and follow me on Instagram. Well, thank you for watching and bye bye till the next video.